Alright, so I think this would be part 3. It reached its maximum. So as I said, I may have to be cut the videos them short, because after it reach a certain amount, it will just cut it automatically. So as we continue now, the multiplier method, it will be x times the multiplier, which is 0.82, right, equal the result, which was 4,000. So the black decker iron. Now we can solve for x. So x, as we would have known by doing this over and over, is 4,000 divided 0.82, and we check that in our calculator. So we want to find the original. Definitely the original value have to be more because there is a decrease. So 4,000 divided by 0.82 actually is how much? $4,878 some cents or some changes, you know. All right, so the original value was actually close to 5,000. You understand? All right, so that is it now for the multiplier method. So remember, the multiplier method is, once these are given, this is the formula for the multiplier method. Formula, and this is what they tell you that you need to remember. You understand? This is the formula, but I'm laying it out now. You need to, this is the original time the multiplier, and I'd have taught you how to get the multiplier equal the result. So these are the conditions in order to use the multiplier method, right? But as I said, now let us now look at question 3 now. Question 3, during question 3, this last question here, question 4. The price on a bottle of Maggi all-purpose season increased by 5%. The price of the season increased by $42.50. What did the season cost before and after the increase? Now notice in this question, it did not give the original cost, neither did it give the new value or the new cost. So you have to read the question with understanding now. Let us fold it. So what was given is that there was indeed a 5% increase. Let us see if the multiplier method is able. Questions like these, let us see now. Multiplier method. Remember, what is needed is the original value, at least original value, times the multiplier, and the result must be given. Or the result is called the new value. That's what I mean. New value. Now, there was no new value given in this. The multiplier, we could have get the multiplier, which is, so the multiplier, we could have get the multiplier, which is equal to 100% plus 5%. That would have given you 105%, and in decimal is actually 2 spaces, which is 0.5. So this is the multiplier. Now, the original value was not given, and the new value was not given. So you only have the multiplier with the new value, which is 2 unknown. Understand? This is actually 2 unknown. So this is where you have to now rally back to the unitary method. You understand, in order to solve it, because they're asking you to, what did the season cost before, which is the original cost, and after the increase. Now I need you to know that the 42.50 actually represent the increase on the item, which is the 5%. So once you find out what 5% is, Once you find out what this is 5%, right? So therefore, if you find out what the original cost is, which is 100%, you can then add this to it to find the new value using the unitary method. So remember, if the 5 represent the increase, that is the amount that was added to the to the original value in order to get there. In other words, the original value, which is EOV, plus the increase, which is $42.50, would have given you the new value or the result. You understand?